Welcome to Stopgap's home practice. This is one of my video shorts called Arm Isolation Sequence. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a standing dancer with frizzy hair and I'm wearing black and blue today. So this video short stands alone, or it's a nice way to culminate your practice for the day. Quite a lot of learning, and we get to repeat the phrase quite a lot of times. Each time we repeat it, the speed increases. So a nice little challenge. It's all about the arms. But if you have room for more, you can add the base as well. Totally up to you. So we're going to get learning. So find a nice, stable, upright place to be. And we're going to start by just bringing awareness to one of our arms. And this is going to be our dominant arm. And so I'm going to use this to help us learn. So I'll refer to this arm as the dominant arm throughout the learning of the phrase. So you can give it a little slap or a little rub, whatever you need, just to bring a little bit of awareness. So we start with the dominant arm being pulled out on the front diagonal. And then the other arm gets pulled out on the other diagonal. I then fold at the elbow of the dominant arm, bringing the forearm horizontal. As I fold and do the same movement with the non-dominant arm, the dominant arm's elbow drops down. So you're making like a corner box shape with your forearms. And then finally, the dominant arm unfolds down the side of the body. Timing wise for that goes 1, 2, fold, fold, unfold. And again, pull, pull, fold, fold, unfold. Then we take the dominant fingertips and touch them to the non-dominant hand very lightly, and then move those arms away out on the diagonal, and I'll say out for that movement. From here, we bring the backs of the palms together and then draw the arms up through the center line. As they come up out the top, they unfold so the palms end up facing forwards. And that's our first 8. So it goes pull 1, pull 2, fold 3 and unfold 4. Touch 5, out 6, through the center line 7 and 8. You're then going to take a lovely ripple action in the wrists and hands, really articulate, moving the hands out to the side away from each other, and 1. Then the dominant hand ripples up through your center line, and 2. You then rebound that arm down as the other arm passes and rebounds up. And then there's a little recovery, 3, 4. You're then going to imagine like a ball of energy in space, big, small, whatever you wish. And you're going to circle the hands around, and then you're going to reverse that action. So you circle around 5, 6, reverse 7, 8. And it can be very small or very big, whatever you wish. Yeah? From the top, it goes pull 1, pull 2, fold, fold, unfold. Touch, out through the center line, 7, 8. Ripple out and 1, ripple up and 2, rebound 3, recover 4, circle 5, 6, reverse, circle 7, 8. Nice. Then the dominant hand picks up the non-dominant thumb and pulls it up in space, and 1. You remove the thumb, bring it over the top and push down the dominant wrist, and 2. So that goes nice and quick, and 1 and 2. So you pull up, push down. You then grab the dominant hand across the body on the upper diagonal, and then reach the other arm across the body on the other diagonal. So it's a grab and a reach. Grab, reach. You're then going to pause, swing that arm back, swing it forwards, and then drop at the elbow, and that's the end of the next 8. So we've done the circle to finish 8. You pull up and 1, push down and 2, grab 3, reach 4, hold 5, swing 6, swing 7, drop at the elbow 8. Almost there, just 4 more counts. Place this hand on the chest, 1, then and 2 is a brush and a circle of the dominant elbow. Brush, circle. And then you're going to grab the hands together, draw them up your center line, and then pull them in for the 4. You then have a lovely 4 counts to regather your thoughts before the speed increases. Yeah, we go again. From the top, it goes pull, pull, fold, fold, and fold. Touch, out through the center line. We ripple out and 1, ripple up and 2, rebound 3, recover 4, circle around the energy and then reverse the circle. We're here 8. Let's do this a bit slower. Pull the thumb and 1, push down the wrist and 2, grab 3, reach 4, pause 5, swing back 6, swing forward 7, drop at the elbow 8. Place the hand 1, brush and circle 2, through the center line 3, pull in 4. Very nice. Maybe you want to pause to practice there, or we're going to have a go with music. So you'll hear this lovely little going up, sir. So after each time we've done it, there's like a little 2-count bridge where you'll hear this little voice saying, going up, sir, and that's when the speed will increase and we go straight in. So there's a little introduction which we can listen to and then we go straight away. So it's nice and steady to begin. Getting ready? Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center. In, recover, and pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. And again. Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. Breathe. Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple out, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. Pull, pull, fold, fold and fold. Touch, out through the center. Ripple side, ripple up, rebound. Circle, stop, reverse circle, stop, pull up, push down. Grab, reach, pause, swing, swing, drop. Place, brush, circle through the center, in. Woo, very nice, good. Let all of that bubble around you. Hopefully that was quite fun. If you want, you can go back to the last timestamp and repeat all of that again with music. I would recommend doing it If you didn't do my 15-minute flow before this session, it's another one of my shorts, and it's really nice to do now to kind of wind down and stretch into the body. So all that's left to say is please subscribe to our channel, then like, share, and really thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.